Hello friends, welcome to Logikey. Today we are going to cover insertion in binary tree. So we have already covered traversal in binary tree. We have seen depth first traversal, breadth first traversal. If you are not comfortable with this, you can check out my previous videos. Those are about the traversals. Now today we are going to see how we can do insertion in a binary tree. Again, we are going to see the same example. We have the same binary tree having the nodes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Now, the problem statement says I want to insert a new node with value as 11. So, they have given a value. I need to insert this in binary tree. Now, if you see in this tree, binary tree has only one condition, that all the nodes can have at most 2 children, not more than that. Correct? Now here if you want to do this insertion, this level, can you insert it after 10? Of course not. There would be 3 children, it is not possible. After 20, it already has 2 children, so we cannot. After 40, yes, you can, at the left or at the right, you can insert this. After 50 as well. What about 30? Can I insert 11 as the child node of it? Of course, because it has only one children, we can have one more children here. So these are all the possibilities. After 60 also I can insert. So there could be many logics how I want to insert in binary tree, because the condition is very simple. Anywhere where any node which doesn't have 2 children, we can insert it there, right? So one possible logic you can think of, let's say you are always, whenever you are getting the request to insert a new node, you are always inserting it at the left side. So the most left, extreme left. So after 10, you have 20, you have 40, you can say anytime when I am getting a new node, I will insert after 40. So here we have 11. Now another request comes. So you will insert it after 11 because this is the leftmost path. You will insert it, say the request is of 15, you will insert it here. Another request comes. You will insert it here, say 23, right? Now look this tree. This is like an unbalanced tree where left has too many children while right doesn't have. So it's kind of an unbalanced tree. What other approach you can think? Insert at the right, same problem. Now there could be one approach where you will get a more balanced tree. So this is your tree currently. What about if we do the level order traversal and the very first node you get, which has less than 2 children, you insert this new node there. Let's see what I am saying. Suppose you need to insert the node with value 11. So you create a new node and you start the traversal from 10. So it has got already 2 children, we cannot insert it here. Then 20 is the next node. So we'll go to 20. 20 again has 2 children, we cannot insert it here. Now you come to 30. 30 has got only one child. So we can insert 11 as the left child of 30. So that's how a tree would be like more balanced as compared to what we were thinking to put it always at the left or always at the right. So this is a better approach. So let's check out the algorithm and code, how we'll write this code, that we are doing the level order traversal, and as soon as we see a node which has got less than 2 children, we'll insert a new node there. Let's discuss the code that we'll use for insertion of element in binary tree. If you have seen my previous video where I have discussed the level order traversal, this should be like a cakewalk for you. So we are again going to do a level order traversal with a slight twist in it. So let's start. So firstly, for the level order traversal, firstly we create a queue. So here I'll create a queue. If you're not comfortable with how to create a queue, you can see my tutorial on queue and the implementation of it in Python. So this part is done. You will create a queue. Now you will check for root. If root is none, it means this is the point where I can insert my new node, right? But if it is not none, I'll enqueue it in this queue. So in this case, root is not none. So this root node having value 10, I'll insert it in the queue. So this is the first part, and a corner case as well, that if root is equals to none, what I'll do is I'll create a new node. For this also, if you are not clear how to create a node, you can see the tutorial where I have introduced binary tree. There we have created class node as well. So this we are calling the constructor of node class, and we are passing value as 11. So it will create a new node. But in this case, root is not none, so we are enqueuing it. Now we are running a loop till length of queue is greater than 0. It means queue is having some elements. So first thing is we'll dequeue the very first element. So this is 10. We'll dequeue 10 and we'll check the left and right of it. So the left is 20 and it is not none. So again we are going to enqueue it. Similarly, right is also not none, so we'll enqueue it. So that's how, since we didn't get any place to insert 20 and 30, like it has got 2 children, so we cannot insert it here. We inserted it, we also dequeued it, so now this is a front element. Now again in this loop, what we did, the next element is 20, right? We'll dequeue 20. So 20 has got both left and right. So we'll push 40. There's no space, I am pushing it here. This is the continuation of this queue. So we are inserting all these elements. Now again loop comes here. See the code carefully. Now your temp is what? This node. 20 is already dequeued. So the next node is 30. This. Now see carefully what we are going to do. In case of 30, when we'll come here, if temp dot left is not none, no, it is none. So in the else condition, temp dot left, and we are assigning a new node here, right? Because there was this empty place, left was empty, so we are inserting 11 here. And once you have inserted, is there any need to continue the traversal? No. So what we'll do, we'll simply break out from here. We'll write the break statement and we'll be out of this loop. Work is done. So the ultimate goal here was to find one empty location, and that we found in the case of 30. If suppose we wanted to insert one more element, let's say we want to insert 15, tell me how we'll do this. Again, see the traversal. Let me create the queue here. We'll start this loop. So initially we'll insert 10 in this queue. So when we'll traverse 20 and 30 we'll add in the queue, and 10 would be dequeued. After 20, when we'll traverse 20, what we'll get? 40 and 50, again no empty position. Okay, so 20 is also gone. Again, I don't have much space, let me do it here. Now next node is 30. Now 30 has now 11, so we cannot insert it here. So we'll dequeue it, and after that 11 and 60 in the queue. This is the continuation of queue. Now this all is done. Next is 40. So we'll come to 40 and we'll see the temp dot left is none, and we'll insert a new node here. So it's very simple, doing a level order traversal, and as soon as we are getting a vacant position where we can insert a new node, we'll insert it here. So that was about how we can do insertion in binary trees. It is very simple if you know what is level order traversal. Thank you, and if you want to see the code for it, you can check the description box below. I'll put the code on GitHub.
Thank you so much guys for tuning into Logic Heap. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.